respondents. So
Lordship,
accordingly, list the matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship, if can, Lordship can
Date, fixed date.
Yes, 19th of May.
19th.
19th May.
Listed on 19th May.
Lordship is an
Instead
interim.
of 4 weeks, just say
Interim.
Yeah.
Interim.
interim order passed earlier shall continue till the
So also like mention item number 3, Lordship. Here the council,
retreat.
she is also out of station and
This MSc.
MSc. And
So,
as per the office note dated for 10/4/5/25, service upon respondent 5
incomplete
is delivered.
or delivered.
Yes,
already.
delivered. So if Lordship be deemed to be complete,
Let me see.
service upon the
Item 3.
respondent 5. Yeah,
What's happening?
cross connection.
Service of notice upon respondent number.
It's dated 10/4/25.
10/4/25. Item 3, okay. Adjournment is sought on behalf of who?
Sumi Kakati,
Sumi Kakati,
council or applicant.
counsel for the appellant. It's the matter after 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed. In the meantime, office note dated 10/4/2025 indicates that service on respondent number 5 has been delivered.
Yes.
Accordingly, service on respondent number 5 is deemed complete. Counsel for the respondent, Shri M.T. Wapang, is present, who has no objections to the prayer for adjournment. List the matter after 3 weeks. There's also a fixed date or list after 3 weeks.
Right. Right.
Please, Your Lordship, maybe please to mention here in item number 12.
Item 12.
Your Lordship, it's a consensus prayer. Your Lordship, if the matter can come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Item 12. List the matter after 2 weeks on the prayer of the parties.
Yes.
So Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 4. Here I have instruction to appear on behalf of the respondent. So Lordship, I pray that 3 weeks time may be granted so that I obtain
There
instruction.
are 4 respondents, so all respondents.
Oh, 1 to 3, 1 to 3.
1 to 3.
Yes.
Item 4, okay. MSV Shukri has submitted that she has received instructions to appear on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, and 3, and prays for some time to receive instructions and file the affidavit in opposition. Prayers out. Learning counsel for the petitioner is present. Yeah. List the matter. How much?
After 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
List the matter after 3 weeks, and the registry directed to show the name of Ms. Shukri as the respondent for his as the counsel for respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
Much.
Please, my lord.
Yes.
With the consent from the other side, I beg to mention item number 9, 10, and 11. I'm for respondent number 4,
9, 10, 11.
Lord.
Oh, these are connected matters, no?
My lord.
Mm.
My senior has some personal difficulty today, so this matter may come after 2 weeks.
No objection.
No objection, my lord. I'm appearing on behalf of Wisdom Mommy.
Okay.
I'm for respondent number 4.
Okay.
I've taken the consent of the
Then
petitioner.
petitioner.
I've taken the consent of the petitioner. He's also from Dimapur.
Okay, okay. And you are mentioning on behalf of government, no?
Yes, Wisdom Mommy.
I'm for respondent number 4,
Okay.
Nagaland Lokaयुक्त.
9, 10, 11, yeah. The prayer is made on behalf of the respondent number 4 to adjourn the matter for 3 weeks.
2 weeks.
For 2 weeks. The petitioner has no objections. And the learned government advocate appearing on behalf of V. Zimomi has no objections to the prayer. Accordingly, list the matter after 2 weeks.
Apply, much obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention here in item number 6, Lordship.
Mm.
May I pray that this matter will be listed after 3 weeks, Lordship.
You are for?
I'm for the petitioner, appellant.
Mm. On what ground?
Lordship, here my senior, I'm mentioning on behalf of my senior.
Mhm.
When my senior has some difficulties.
Okay, item 6. It is stated that Mr. Azo has some difficulties today, and accordingly it is prayed that the matter may be listed after 2 weeks, you said,
3 weeks, Lordship.
after 3 weeks. Learned additional AG, V. Shukre has no objections to the said prayer. Accordingly, list the matter after 3 weeks.
Much good.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 8, Lordship. That this matter be listed after.
All hearing matters are gone.
Lordship,
Well,
here,
what do you want?
yes, I'm for the petitioner, Lordship. Here, the state respondent has filed additional affidavit.
Mm.
So I may be allowed to file the reply
Reply.
to that, Lordship.
Mm.
Kindly grant me 4 weeks time, Lordship.
Item 8, the counsel for the petitioner states that the state respondents have filed an additional affidavit in opposition, and to which he would like to file a reply, and therefore prays for
4 weeks.
4 weeks' time to file the same. Prayer is allowed. List the matter after 4 weeks. In the meantime, the petitioner shall file his reply.
Much obliged.
Promotion, item number 1.
Please, my lord. My lord, this petition has been filed to initiate contempt proceedings against the respondent number 1 to 4
Mm.
for willful and deliberate disobedience of this honorable High Court's order.
Where is the order? Just show me.
My lord, it's in page number 10. It starts from page number 10.
Mm.
This is a common judgment and order
Okay.
passed in 2 writ petition, 38 and 39 of 2023.
Hmm.
So my lord, I was the petitioner in the 38 of 2023.
58 of
Lordship, the-
2023.
If I may take your lordship to the operative portion, that will be page number 20. Paragraph 26, if I may allow to read
Yes.
4 paragraphs.
Okay, 26.
26, starting from 26. Both the petitioners were recruited after an exhaustive process of interview. They have worked continuously for 16 to 17 years. Their monthly salaries were also increased from time to time. Naturally, they had the legitimate expectations that they would be absorbed into regular service. Both of them are in their 50s. Now they are not eligible for getting another service at this age. Our country is a welfare state. It is the duty of the state to do good for its citizens. This is an elementary requirement of the guarantee against arbitrary state action, which Article 14 of our Constitution adopts. Every act of the state must be reasonable and fair. The state and its departments in administrating the affairs of the country are expected to honor the statements of policy or intention and treat the citizens with full personal considerations without an iota of abuse of discretion. The policy statements cannot be disregarded unfairly or applied selectively. Unfairness in the form of unreasonableness is akin to violation of natural justice. In the case in hand, the intention of the respondent number 1 to 4 to fill up the post of horticulture specialist in CIH, that is Central Institute of Horticulture in Metsipima, before regularizing the present 2 petitioners in their services is absolutely arbitrary and unfair, as well as against the mandate of our Constitution. Allowing the respondent number 1 to 4 to recruit horticulture specialists would destroy the lives of the present 2 petitioners. 28. Now this court is of the opinion that the advertisement number such and such inviting applications for filling up the vacancies such and such, the first one is with regard to the petitioner, is a violation of the principle of natural justice and administrative fair play. Therefore, advertisement such and such inviting application for filling up the vacancy is quashed. The respondent UPSC is at liberty to start the procedure of recruitment for other posts. Now the directional. The respondent number 1 to 4 are directed to regularize the services of the present 2 petitioners from the date of the initial appointments. So Lordship, this was the direction.
So this was dated
27/11/2024. Therefore, my lord, there is no ambiguity as regards to the direction of the High Court. It is totally clear, Lordship.
No time frame was given.
Lordship, in all fairness, no time limit was
Mm.
specified, but it is expected that when direction has been passed, it has to be complied within a reasonable time, my lord. That is one aspect of the matter.
Okay.
And my lord, if I may take your lordship to paragraph 6 of my petition.
Mm.
May I read?
Yes.
That although 4 months has elapsed, the respondents, instead of regularizing the service of the petitioner as per the direction passed in the aforesaid common judgment and order dated 27/11/2024. Lordship has got it, paragraphs.
Wait, page 5.
Lordship,
Mhm.
uh, that although 4 months has elapsed, the respondent, instead of regularizing the service of the petitioner as per the direction passed in the aforesaid common judgment and order dated 27/11/2022, in total disregard to the honorable court's order, the respondent verbally informed the petitioner not to perform any official duties and further instructed him not to register his attendance in the biometric system, my lord. There is an order for regularization, but without complying that, I was told not to perform any special duties or official duties, my lord.
That is only your statement. At this stage, we'll issue notice.
My lord,
Mm.
because my lord, even my salary has not been paid. I was paid only 18 days. My lord may come to the last annexure. I'm in the serial number 3.
Mm.
I was paid only 19 for 19 days. This was paid as per the last extension order
We'll see.
as a contract employee.
Paid till
19 of March.
19th March.
March. And to the best knowledge of the petitioner lordship, no appeal has been preferred against the common judgment and order. Therefore, the order has attained the same as attained finality, my lord.
But this issue of salary and all that is a new cause of action because the direction of this court was only to regularize your service.
My lord, but they are
Okay,
doing
so-
something which they cannot
that-
do directly. Their action
This-
amounts to
we'll see-
contempt,
we'll see
my
what
lord.
they come up with. Heard learned counsel for the petitioner. Jamir.
My lord,
Jamir. Stop. It is stated that this court by order dated 27/11, by judgment dated 27/11/2024, passed in WPC 38/2023
and 39, my lord.
and
Common
39,
judgment.
yes, and 39/2023 had directed the respondents to regularize the service of the petitioner from the date of his initial appointment. It is submitted that in spite of the direction of this court, the respondents have not complied with the same. And in fact, the petitioner has been verbally informed not to perform any official duties and further instructed not to register his attendance in the biometric system. It is also submitted that the service of the petitioner was extended till 19/3/2025 and his salary has also been paid only up to 13/3/2025. Stop. Issue notice to the respondents number 1, 2, 3, and 4, returnable within 4 weeks. Stop. The petitioner shall take steps for service upon the respondents by registered post with AD within 3 days.
3 days.
Within 3
My lord,
days.
with respect to respondent number 4, if I'm
Mm.
allowed to serve trustee.
You first try registered
My lord.
and then we'll see.
Oblige.
List after fruits.
For orders, item number 2.
This is a contempt matter.
Also contempt.
fixed for orders because the service report is awaited, but I have one prayer, Lordship.
Okay.
The Lordship would see the respondents,
Hmm.
they are all state respondents, officials.
Hmm.
And the address that we have given is also their official address. Steps were taken on 7th of March, if a Lordship will see the office note, on 7th of March. So it could not be that for all the three of them, service report is not complete. Probably
Return
something might have
service.
happened in between. Well, on 7th of
Return service report. See, sometimes when this
7th of March, Lordship, steps were taken, from the registry.
Mm.
And these are all official addresses.
Mm.
These are all Nagaland Civil Secretariat, Kohima, here itself, Lordship. Works and Housing Department, Kohima. So my only prayer, Lordship, if
What
I-
happens is the officers also they get transferred regularly. Okay.
that's true, but
And then the office people who take these notices, sometimes they are negligent and then they leave
for
it
all
on the
the three,
table.
the same thing has happened. That's my concern.
None of them it has
None
returned.
of them has received. So that is, if I may, therefore, Lordship may allow me to take dusty service upon them. Because this is a case of,
Okay.
and which like more than 1 year now, the judgment has been passed, release of a compensation money of around 5 crores for the public of that area.
Okay,
And
this is
because
for
of
land
this
compensation.
land compensation also.
Uh,
So the urgency
office note, office note. The office note indicates that. No, the thing is, registry has sent the notices on 10/4/25.
No, also 7/3, we'll also will read that. 10/4 is the noting, but the registry has taken the steps on 7/3. That noting itself, we'll also will read that noting.
Oh, okay, yeah. Office note dated, just complete this. Office note dated 10/4/25 indicates that steps had been taken and the registered posts were sent on 7/3/2025. However, the return service reports are still awaited on all the respondents 2, 3, and 4. What about 1? One also.
One would be not, we had taken steps earlier, but one would be not necessary now in view of the fact that sanction has already come from the Union of India.
Okay.
It's only the release that we are concerned about.
Right. Yeah, what did we say? 2, 3, and 4. Oh, stop. Accordingly, the petitioner is allowed to take steps by dusty mode and to file affidavit to that effect within
7 days time.
within 7 days.
And on
This-
19th of May, we
this-
can be fixed.
This the matter thereafter on 19 May 2025.
Oblige you.
For orders, item number 5.
Yes. For the last order dated 24/2/2025, we serve the copy to the respondent party. 1, 2, 3.
Steps on 1, 2, and 3. You have done. You have taken steps.
Yes, yes, yes.
I think it is yet to return. When did you take the steps?
27.
27th.
February.
27th. 6/3 service of notice upon. Okay, service notice on respondent 1 returned unserved with the remark insufficient address. Respondent 1. You don't have the detailed address of respondent number 1 because here it just says resident of Mokokchung town, Mokokchung. How will that reach? It will not reach.
You know, we
Respondent,
served the
respondent
notice
1
as per the.
as per the records.
Yes, Your Worship. And in respondent one,
The others, it has not returned.
okay, Your Worship.
On respondent 1, it returned saying that it's sufficient in address, insufficient address. Ultimately, you may have to take steps by substitute
Okay,
or
Your
someone.
Worship.
But anyway, let's wait. The counsel for the petitioner states that they have taken steps for notice on respondents 1, 2, and 3 on 27/2/2025. Office note dated 21/3/2025 indicates that notice upon respondent number 1 returned unserved with the remark in inverted commas insufficient address. Stop. Notice on respondents number 2 and 3 has not returned. Stop. Await return of service and list the matter of the 3 weeks. And list the matter of the 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, with the substantiation of earlier order,
Mm.
IF 14th.
Mm.
Actually, it's supposed to be 55th day of condemnations. However, to the obtention signature, it's 2 days has been included. So the honor may kindly allow us to rectify this. In place of 55 is 57th.
You have stated 55 days
Yes,
delay,
Your
na?
Lordship.
So you want to make correction in
Yes,
the
Your Lordship.
cross title?
Yes, Your Lordship.
No, but that means you have to include that statement also na, in your pleadings
Okay, Your Lordship.
regarding the signature and all.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then you'll have to file an amended application.
Okay, Your Lordship.
IE 14, na?
Yes, Your Lordship.
IE 14, okay. Petitioner also praised that he would like to file an amended application and prays for withdrawal with liberty to file afresh. Accordingly, prayer is allowed. The petitioner is allowed to file an amended application. But since limitation is there, you'll have to.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, so you will come from today or just for amendment of this 55 days, 57 days.
No, for the 2 days, why 2 days you were saying for signature of what?
Yes, for the signature from the concerned authority. From the
Oh, from the insurance.
Yes, from the insurance.
Acha, acha.
Due to delay of receiving copy.
No, we'll say that the period between the date will not, the limitation will not run from today till the time the application is filed, but you'll have to file it fast. So the petitioner shall file the same within 3 days.
Okay, Your Lordship.
Within 3 days.
Your Lordship, I need to obtain the signature also from the respondent because they are in Dimapur. They are stationed.
Then 7 days, within 7
Okay,
days.
Your Lordship. By Your Lordship.
That's all.
Bachelor Salima. Salima.
On behalf of the